Grabe, challenge. There you go.
Today is Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We have 4 days till Saturday. Yes? Yes. Okay, remember the 72-hour club? Yes.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. And trust me when I say, pag na-hit mo to, this is in line with everything. When you get to hit this. Alright? 4 days. By Saturday. Meron ba dito mga may direct na this week?
Yes.
Yes. Ay, taas ang kamay.
Ako.
Yung may direct na this week na nag-pay in this week. Nag-pay na. Nag-pay na.
Papa.
1 and 2. Okay. Lamang kayo. Kasi I'm gonna count Monday. Mula nung Monday. Whoever hits
Alright. Tao.
5 directs, yung mga may nakatanim na dyan,
Lalabas ko lahat.
okay? Lamang ka na. Lamang ka na kasi tansyado mo na eh. And 5,000 retail.
Kaya ko yan! Kaya ko yan!
I love you, Abel. By Saturday. I'll count everything from Monday.
Saturday, hindi Sunday.
Laban.
Cut.
Well, Saturday 12 midnight.
Alright.
Pay-in, kailangan naka-encode na.
Kailangan
Iba yung Highlands.
Encode. Sige, paano kung Sunday?
Sige, hindi. Resibo. No problem. Kaya hindi naka-encode. Basta 5 direct pay-ins, saka 5,000 retail.
Apply tao.
Ha?
Hindi
Tao.
Hindi pwede ko another head.
Hindi pwede.
Ayaw.
5,000 retail. Okay? Saturday, you're gonna get the surprise of your life.
Ano yun?
Sa Power GBS.
Ano yan?
Basta hit niya.
Ano yan?
Tapos na!
Sige na, ako na yan.
Tapos na! Ha? Tapos na. Done? Yes.
Clue.
Ano yan?
Kahit hindi sa...
Wala pa kasi dito eh.
Ay, wala dyan.
Bahay!
Guys,
May isang bulan to na alam ko gusto niyo rin.
Babae! Yes!
Rachel! Balik ka na dito!
Lalaki! Winner!
Gusto ko yan.
Yes!
Isa pa nga!
Mas masaya kung maraming makahit.
Maraming lalaki!
Right? So is this doable? Yes! Who says this is doable? Patay ako.
Tuloy mo! Tuloy mo yan! Tuloy mo yan!
Hit yan!
Hit ko yan up!
Pati ako. Masaya nga to.
Up! 5K retail.
And first prize?
DP.
DP, ha? Hindi yung
SRP.
SRP.
By Saturday.
Maglalaman.
By Saturday, this Saturday.
By Saturday.
5 hours!
Ano ulit up?
By Saturday, 12 midnight.
Next week.
Grabe na, nararamdaman yung init. Oh my God!
Believe me, hindi ka magsisisi. You hit this,
natin dyan, di tayo.
you go to the Power GPS, may gets ka ron.
Paano kapag na-hit ko, ay nagkataon hindi naman isa sa power?
It's okay. No problem. Okay. Quiet. Kasi sabi ko lang, basta be there. Be there at the Power GPS.
Naiihi ako.
Again?
Yes!
Okay. Okay, para hindi tayo mapuyat. Tama?
Yes.
Okay, I just wanna remind you yung synergy book. Right? The AOTS, the OTE, okay, the Power GBS, okay, and this.
Upline, ano yan?
Sige na, sabihin natin. Alam niya, up.
Basta masaya yan.
Nako.
I'm telling you, sobrang saya yan.
Grabe yan.
It's all you can do.
Kasi wala dito eh.
Ay, grabe yan.
Ay, nasa lista ko.
Basta wala dito, pero it's something that you really want. Siguro.
Wala ba dyan yan?
Nalagay yung card. Open na sa lahat ng single yan.
iPhone 4.
Ang mahal ng lalaki.
Ganon? Sasagutin mo yung LC5?
Pwede. Next month na yun.
Yeah!
Ito muna. Pero okay yun. Next month.
Ano yan?
Ano yan?
Sabihin mo na sa akin.
Oh my God, di na ako ko.
Oh my gosh, tatain na ako.
Kompleto. Isang buo ito.
Sigit ko lang. Palakpakan naman natin si Upline Jeff and Upline Nika for qualifying LC5.
Yeah!
Yes. For now, ito. And then, we'll head on to bigger things afterwards. Right?
Yes!
Okay, sige. So, we'll see you all on well, every day. Siyempre, see you in the battlefield. Okay?
Who are we?
I am Rodri!
Where are you?
On the edge!
What do you do when you're on the edge?
Fly!
Diba? Tinatesting ko. What do you deserve?
The
best or nothing!
Guys, you can purchase this now. Kaya I make video na.